When was the last time you went to a site and immediately left it as it looked terrible or was inconvenient? Have you ever wondered what the reason is? Web design can take your website to the next level or turn it into a disaster, a main reason visitors leave. Today, when people's attention is gold, every web design element has to work for the result. In this video, we'll show you 5 common mistakes designers make and explain how to avoid them using tools like the Nice Page website builder. Mistake number 1, poor site navigation. Confusing navigation is one of the fastest ways to frustrate users. Unclear navigation is the primary reason users leave websites and lose trust in a brand. Remember, users evaluate your navigation in seconds. If they can't quickly find what they're looking for, they'll likely leave and seek alternatives that offer a more intuitive experience. How can you create effective navigation? Start with a clear menu hierarchy and follow proven navigation menu tips that reflect how users think about your content. Place your main menu where users expect to find it, typically at the top of the page. For complex websites, implement breadcrumbs to help users track their location and navigate between sections easily. This is particularly important for mobile users who require simplified navigation options that function effectively with touch interfaces and smaller screens. Mistake number 2, non-responsive design. A responsive website automatically adapts to various screen sizes and devices, ensuring a consistent user experience across different platforms. When your site isn't responsive, mobile users struggle with tiny text, horizontal scrolling, and unusable navigation. To implement proper responsive design, consider following a responsive design checklist. Use grids and boxes that automatically adjust to screen dimensions. Test your site across multiple devices and screen sizes to ensure optimal performance. Optimize images and media for different screen resolutions. Ignoring mobile optimization does not just cause upset users. It also leads to missed opportunities and, therefore, lost sales as the world becomes more mobile first every day. Mistake number 3, improper site layout. There is a trend now to apply center or justified alignment to all text on websites. A cluttered layout can increase bounce rates and diminish user engagement. Break big text sections and use headings to establish a clear structure. Maintaining balance in your layout is key. Prioritize key content and remove unnecessary elements that don't serve your users' needs or support your conversion goals. Mistake number 4, poor typography and readability. Typography choices can significantly impact the effectiveness of your website. Start by selecting no more than 2 to 3 complementary fonts to maintain visual consistency. For body text, use a font size of at least 16 pixels to ensure optimal readability across various devices. Maximize legibility by maintaining high contrast between your text and background colors. Dark text on light backgrounds or vice versa works best, but avoid pure black on pure white, as it can cause eye strain. Implement proper line spacing 1.5 to 2 times your font size and use paragraph breaks to create digestible content blocks. For optimal readability, use legible fonts for body text, avoiding decorative fonts that can be difficult to read. Establish a clear typographic hierarchy by using different font weights. Maintain consistent spacing between paragraphs. Test your typography choices across different devices and screen sizes. Good typography is both an aesthetic and is about making your content accessible and easy to consume for all users. Mistake number 5, too much animation. One more thing that makes websites alive and attractive but can also be annoying is animation. It is wrong to try to apply animation everywhere. For example, some websites overuse loading animations. By adding them, you prevent your website from quick scrolling so the user can't quickly find the part they need. This also refers to hiding the scroll bar or styling it creatively or placing slowly appearing messages at the beginning of your pages. They distract users from the content and have minimal value for the website. There are also types of animation that consume users' time, such as text-changing effects and lengthy menu animations. Just remember that your website is not a Disney movie or PowerPoint presentation. Its primary purpose is to provide information, answer questions, and promote your services and solutions. There are many more mistakes in web design. However, these 5 mistakes are the ones we encounter every day on thousands of websites. Using modern website builders like Nice Page, which come with the most extensive collection of website templates, you can avoid almost all mistakes. You can also use an AI to get website ideas and create easy-to-use and attractive websites that will be an efficient tool in attracting new clients and raising your business's reputation. Like and subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos and early updates.